The taste of Vietnam. My name is Olaf. I'm a chef, writer and photographer who dives into the culinary heart of the Quang Nam region. Getting inspired by local food and ingredients to find my own style and create new dishes for the Tui Blue Nam Hoi An. Finding ingredients that represents the taste of Vietnam the most was not easy. After a day at the market, I decided to go with lemons, cilantro, of course chili, onions, lemongrass, pork meat and this wonderful pandan leaves. This aroma is very special and reminds me a bit of vanilla. While collecting the ingredients at the market in Hoi An, I was thinking about making a burger that tastes like Vietnam. And here is how I made it. Cut the pandan leaves and mix them together with milk. For the buns, I need flour, dry yeast, salt, brown sugar, butter and eggs. Strain the pandan milk into the dough mixture and look at this color. Give the dough some more punches and let it rest for about 1 hour. Cut the chili, cilantro, garlic and lemongrass. Mix them with the minced pork and spice it up with some fish sauce, also very popular in Vietnam, and shape some proper burger patties. Cut some onions, put them in a pan and keep stirring them by low temperature till they get soft and caramelized. For the freshness, cut some cucumber and mix it very good with spring onions and some salt. Preheat a pan and fry the burger patties golden brown on each side. Shape small buns out of the dough and leave them again for a couple of minutes. Some whisked egg on top, sprinkle some sesame and put it into the oven for about 20 minutes. Give the mayonnaise a little lemon twist and wonderful! Well, that was a pleasure for me to create this recipe for the menu of the Tui Blue Nam Hoi An.